Hello, welcome to needle safety. First, we're going to talk about the capping and recapping. I know recapping is not recommended, but at times you might have to recap. So here, what I always do, I go a big boom, like a big rebound. I'm going to go boom, so I don't go small and poke myself. I'm going to set this to the side. So if you're doing insulin, you would clean this part, put in the air that you're going to go, pull up the medicine, and then the same with the NPH. But when you have to recap after you've gotten your medicine, then what I would do is, I call it the rodeo, keep this hand high and do the scoop method. And then when you're here, don't ever grab above the needle point, grab below it to recap there. Okay? And then I'm going to demonstrate that with another needle. So here is one safety needle, and we got another medicine. So we're going to go boom. We're going to put in as much air as medicine we're going to take out. We're going to go in. And then here, once you've pulled out the medicine, to recap this, you never bring your hands in to close it. Never. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on the table and then just push it and close it there. And now that's the needle you use to draw up the medicine. So you can take that off, dispose of it, and then get your needle that you're going to go in to give the injection and put on the new needle. And then from there, you can remove any air bubbles, get to the right level of medicine, and then again for the patient, boom, and then give it to the patient, go ahead and give it. And once you've hit a patient, then you never recap, you just throw it into the sharps container immediately, okay? But this recapping would only be if you're drawing up medicine, and then get that hand away, scoop, below the point of the needle and pull. If you're up here, sometimes the needle could go through this plastic and it's going to poke you. Especially on insulin needles, when they're bending, they're going to go through the plastic and poke you. So never do that. So to engage the safety, I showed you this safety. We also have another safety, this type here, boom. And then you're going to have the medicine here. And this one, you're just going to push your finger, push it forward, and now it's engaged, the safety is engaged. There you can go ahead and take it off, put your needle that you're going to use to give to a patient, and proceed that way. Then also I'm going to show you a filter needle. So filter needles are going to go for the ampules. Real quick refresher, I know I've shown you before. We're going to get that air out, or get the fluid all down. Try this. Okay, the fluid's all down. I like to use the alcohol to open up my ampule, and you're going to go away from you, but I like the alcohol pad with paper for triple protection. I'm going to break it away, okay, and then we're going to get a filter needle here, and I'm going to set this down. So we're going to boom it there. This one you're not going to put the air in. You're going to draw up the amount of medicine that you need. And the filter is there to protect, to get any glass shards. So here, this is where you have to recap again, because you don't want to take this off with your bare hands and put the sharp needle on. So again, rodeo style, like you're riding a bull, scoop it, then below the point, take it off, and now you can go for the needle that you're gonna give. So here, this one, we're gonna use this one, safety needle. So we're gonna engage it, push out the air to the amount that we wanted to give, and then get this out of the way for the IM injection. Boom it, hold it, give the shot, give the medicine, and then when we're out, then you're going to go ahead and on a table or hard surface, engage the safety. Okay, that's needle safety in a nutshell. Thank you. Have a great day.